How to download apps without payment method on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device, then tap on your name or profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on your name. Now you'll be authenticated with your Face ID or Touch ID. Once done so, tap on the Manage Payment option available there. Once you tap on the Manage Payment, here you will be seeing your current payment information. If you have one, then simply tap on the Delete and delete your current information. Now go back and tap on the country/region option available there. Wait for a while for your page to load. Then simply tap on Change Country/region option available there. Now scroll down and tap on the country you are currently living on. After you tap on the country, simply tap on the Agree option available of this terms and condition in the top right corner. Now you can see there is two options available: credit card, debit card, or none. Tap on the none and fill out the other information and simply tap on the done. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.